for this beauty. And we are going to more is applies right in here in the cuticle area. But however, if you want to be wherever you want, okay, if you want to be right here is where your clients want your crystal to be, or your clients want to be diagnosed, or just on the edges of the cuticles, do whatever you like or the clients like and request for it. Either way, wherever you place your cute flowers and crystal design, is gonna look so cute no matter what like you decide. All right, it is so adorable. I'm gonna do different. Oh, this one is purple, is cute. Look at that. It looks like this look like the, how do I describe it? Should I do this one? This is so adorable.
Yeah, and for everybody just tune in. Hey, this one Glitz Accessories and Such, and any product Christina and she use, you can get them from our official website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com.
It is so adorable. It's just new arrival. It's just up now, and it's so cute. You gotta see it in person. It's so adorable. It's hard to just keep saying it because it is adorable. And it's either you wearing a short nails, you can have fun with the short nails. That's it. If you don't want anything else, leave it alone. I'm not using this and pick up some beads on it. And you don't have to do any like frame or anything at all. I usually finish the beads with like 3 beads, like triangle. It's like a sunflower.
Mm-hmm.
Is that sunflower?
It is. There's a sunflower. I think the one that is a tulip.
This is not the tulip.
A very fully bloomed tulip.
Daisy?
Not quite daisy.
I don't know daisy. This is the daisy.
Mm-hmm. And then it gets a color swap. Sunflower.
This is so adorable. I'm gonna do it maybe I get a few minutes. I can do it on my ring's finger. It's so adorable. I can't not having it on my nails. All right, so now I'm happy with this. You can add more. Oh, hold on. Let me add some crystal on this because the daisy is so cute right here. You can add it on some crystal if you want to like give it some bling. Let's see what's up in here. And it had tried to get matching one right there. And then one green right here. See, we have purple or pink. How about that? You like? All right, I'm gonna adjusting this. Just make sure you have plenty of time in the words that if you want to adjusting it, like say before you are final cure, full cure, you are going to make sure they are really close and tight. As long as you get them really close and tight together, they are going to connect so well and last up to like good 4 to 6 weeks. Cure for 60 seconds.